Meaning of ingratitude.
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 Ingratitude. Ingratitude refers to the act of being ungrateful or lacking appreciation for kindness or benefits received from others. It is a negative and selfish behavior that often causes hurt and disappointment to those who have shown kindness and generosity towards the ungrateful person. In extreme cases, ingratitude can lead to the breakdown of relationships and social bonds. It is important for individuals to acknowledge, appreciate, and reciprocate acts of kindness and generosity in order to foster positive relationships and build a strong sense of community.